They created Champions in 1987, and they built it to host future golf tournaments. This is the third year the Barbasol Championships has been in Kentucky. It's a PGA Tour event. We've got about 132 PGA Tour professional golfers that are competing for $3.5 million in purse money.
Lexington is our biggest market, and it's something that we really felt strongly about being the technology provider for this event.
Kinetic came on board. We got fiber wired in underground, and so now to all the chalets, it's very easy to get internet connectivity. It's fast, it's reliable, and we couldn't ask for a better partner here at the Barbasol Championship.
There's a user experience that we want to make sure that we provide to every user that comes, but then there's obviously the production side of it as well, that if we don't get that part right, they can't host the tournament.
Our fans are on the golf course. They've got the PGA Tour app that gives them instant information, and they need Kinetics, high-speed internet and Wi-Fi to be able to connect and get updated information to the second.
Throughout the week, we expect 5,000 to 10,000 people a day, and we would like the majority of those to connect to our internet services. We have a public offering where anybody can connect that comes out to the event, but as you can imagine, that does require a lot of bandwidth and a lot of fiber capacity getting out here, and that kind of goes, bringing the right capacity, bringing the fiber back network, all of that out here allows us to do that and expand.
The access to the internet that they'll have will be seamless all the way from the time they get out of their car to the time they get back in their car right here at the entrance.
With a solution like this, we have ultimate flexibility, and we can move equipment, we can tweak equipment.
And we have a portal, an Incapto portal, that you can go and look and see how many users and what bandwidth they're doing, where they are, are they getting on, or are they just walking by us?
Allowing to have a fully connected network allows not only the customers to be able to see that, but also the people who run the tournament, they can also market back to those customers and provide them the necessary information for that.
You've got to have a great technology partner, and you've got vendors, you've got merchandise, you've got televisions, you've got all kinds of connectivity needs, and Kinetic's been excellent at helping us work 6 months in advance to put our plan together, and then executing it the week before the tournament starts and getting everybody connected and making sure everything's working for the tournament week.
It's very important that we have access to knowledgeable people who know the system, but also understand what it is that we need and what it is that we have to have access to.
The Kinetic high-speed connection has been just a tremendous asset to have here at the Barbasol. The capabilities of being able to upload and download things is absolutely critical, especially when we're working on time constraints.
So not only did we use this investment for the golf course, but we also use this investment to be able to service this entire residential area with Kinetic services.
Every facet of our operation is run on Kinetic business, from credit card machines, televisions, all of our vendors that are here on site are on the system using it, and we have great service. Glad that we have a good partnership with Kinetic.